Hey Wallet Hubbers! Today we'll go over how to properly use a credit card. There are really 4 things to keep in mind. First is to compare credit card offers. Finding the right combination of rewards, rates, fees, and approval requirements for your needs is key. Choosing wisely the first time will also help you avoid multiple applications in a short period of time, which can temporarily damage your credit score. Second is to pay your bill on time every month. You can set up automatic payments from a bank account to make sure that this happens. Payment history is the biggest factor in your credit score, so this is really important. Third is to avoid interest whenever possible. Paying your full statement balance each month is the most responsible and least expensive way to use a credit card. And fourth is to review your transaction history. That way you will be able to spot fraudulent charges, should they ever appear, and regularly reviewing your spending is a good way to make sure that it just doesn't get out of hand. If you're ready to get started with a new credit card, then you can click the button here to begin comparing the latest offers that WalletHub recommends.